Hey there, Crafty family, it's Dee, and I just wanted to make a really quick video on how I cut the wood beads for my latest boho tutorial. Now, I received a lot of questions on people who did not quite understand how I cut them, and I said I cut them and I used a pair of standard wire clippers, and these are the ones that I have used. I also want to have like a bag or a jar, something that I can put my cut beads into, and I am using these 16mm beads that I got from Amazon, and I will show you how I cut them. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the beads and I'm just going to situate it in between the wire cutters just like this. So once I get it nestled in place in the wire cutter, okay, like that, and then I'm just going to turn it up. So I'm going to put the end of it inside the jar and then squeeze the handle, and it just cuts just like that. And now you see you have two even pieces. So that's all I did, and I'll do that again really quick just in case you okay. So here it is. Here's the bead. I'm going to situate it in between the wire cutter, nestle it in place just like that, put the end inside of the jar, grab the handle and squeeze, and then there you go. Really simple. So that's how I cut those, just in case you needed an example. I'm sorry I didn't include it in the tutorial, but I hope this video helps. Thanks a lot, everyone. Happy crafting.